What's going on, guys? It's your boy James, the Forex Prince, back at it again with another video. Look, listen, man, I just want to thank you for embarking this journey with me and continuing to strive down that path of trading and trying to become better at trading. I just wanted to, thank everybody that made this possible. And I also want to thank my Discord group for uh, commending me and criticizing me when necessary, because all of that is what makes us better. We don't have the people around us, then this ain't gonna work too well. You need support when you start trading, any type of trading, whether it be smaller or major. You need support. So I'm going to try my best to give you support. This chapter series is called Confidence. I'm going to work on the confidence inside of a trader. I can't tell you how many videos it be. I just have enough content right this second just to get out as many as possible. But I'm going to link them in their own playlist so you can find this entire course. It's a 6-month course. I'm going to be embarking. Each month is a new lesson to myself that I would like to share with others. Alright, so if you feel welcome to that, make sure you smash the subscribe button and the noti bell so you don't miss out on any videos, because it's about to get better. Alright, so let's get right into the video. Like I said, today's video is about confidence in the trader. Alright, this is the next few sets. I'll let you know when the chapters change. Alright, so starting off, stop seeking more. When traders start having success, they immediately want more. If you've mastered one system, it's time to add another. Wrong. Keep hammering on what works while you scale capital. You don't make more by adding stuff. You make more by scaling capital. Alright? So just to go right into the video, it's basically, whether it's your system, your strategy, your whatever it is, if it's been working for you, no matter what people tell you online, it works for you. So continue to make it work. Don't try to adjust to appease people and by adding stuff to your current system, and then things start to look a little failish because you're absorbing too much information. You're taking in too much knowledge at one time. Trading is supposed to be a second nature thing when you learn it, and once you learn it, it's just muscle memory. Alright? So, like I said, don't add any more to it. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. You ever heard that saying? If it ain't broken, don't fix it. You gotta keep pressing, because it's not about what works. It says it here in the picture. It's about scaling capital, whether it's $100 or whether it's $50 a day. You're choosing to pursue bigger gains. That's the main focus. Stick to it and remember it. Alright, so let me go ahead into the second part of the video. Alright, so how to stop hesitating. Are you afraid to execute? You got to know your strategy. But when that setup is presented, you freeze. Does that happen? You hesitate and start overthinking. What if it's at stop loss? This setup doesn't look as good. I want more confirmation. You don't take the trade and watch it go take the profit like a dumbass. Step 1, find the trigger. Get super clear on your doubt. When exactly do you hesitate? What is your self-talk at the time? How does the market look when you doubt? What are you thinking? Write these things down, these answers, right? And once you write these answers down, these will help you paint a clear picture of what's going on. Getting super clear on triggers that make you hesitate is the first step, though. Alright? You need to memorize your triggers so you can pinpoint them next time when they show up. And you need to. Each of these little reasons that keep you from trading or pressing the buy or sell button or put or call button or whatever it is on whatever platform, you sometimes hesitate. You doubt yourself. It's not about you. It's about the money. You can't doubt the money. What you see is what you see is what you get. Alright? Shout out to NC Hammer. But what you see is what you get. If you've taken this setup hundreds of times or saw it thousands of times, there's no need to hesitate on something that should be second nature. All right? Step 2. Fix your beliefs. Explore your flawed beliefs as well. What is on the line when you're trading? Is it family, friends, support, job, pet, kid, car, loans, credit cards? What's on the line here? Are you afraid of losing money at this point? What, losing your status or losing ego? Are you afraid to look bad in front of others? Are you afraid to lose your challenge? Shout out to you prop firm guys. Or are you afraid of drawdown? It's the red numbers. Always seeing it in the negative. If you have a profitable strategy but still hesitate, you have a flawed belief. Why are you hesitating? Get super honest and be real with yourself. If the strategy works, when you're back tested and you're forward tested, but you still hesitate, you are the problem. Why are you hesitating? You should be getting excited about this stuff. You should be ecstatic that whatever screen you're trading on could be an ATM machine. You should be blown away with the fact that you can do this with as little as $50 or $100. This is a real opportunity. Whether some people trade this as a hobby or a real job, this is a real opportunity. It's not the end all, but you can do something with this. You have to believe in the fact that people are doing it, and you could be one of them. A lot of people get it wrong, and they keep it wrong. You got it right, and you make it wrong. We need to fix that. Step 3. We need to introduce some snaps, some moments where you have to force yourself to execute. Once you know what triggers you doubt, you need to hijack that. All right. So for me, one of my triggers that triggers me for doubt is my position sizing. Sometimes, because I'm just converting over to futures, I'm still trying to absorb everything, but not block out my Forex stuff. So one thing with me is my position sizing. The contracts be worth what? And I pay in and out of what? And it's also the average of this. Wait, I'm confused. And I hesitate. And I don't take the trade. Or I get in late. Because I've gotten my confirmations and I didn't list to them and I feel like a dumbass. I get in. So that's the times where I hesitate, because I'm like, is this too big? Is this too small? Shit, is this gonna blow the account in one trade? Fuck, I can't close it now because it's an average of. But still, that's just my chart probably, but still. So when you feel like you want to hesitate, snap, and that'll force you to press the button. All right. In the time where you know you got all your yeses, everything say get it, pop, jump in that trade, and you hesitate, you snap your finger, and then do the action right after, whether it's buy or sell, or you just setting alerts. You set some snaps. Do about 20 reps of these, forcing yourself to execute while working on your problems, And with time, the doubt will disappear. You'll think like a real trader, and you'll dissolve your doubts. See, when trading on these charts, it's not about not having emotions. I think that's where people get it all mixed up, and that don't sit right with people. It's not about not having emotions. It's about how to deal with them accurately and effectively, so you can continue to be composed on these markets. A lot of us scout. A lot of us ain't sitting here holding trades. Let's just be real. A lot of us scout. That's the 95% right there. We scout. And there's only a few of us that make it on the other side. So, a lot of us scout. We need to get this in order a little bit better. Alright? We need to start taking more action and less talking. So, that's the first step. Just being quiet. Absorb everything that's coming at you at one time. Alright? Realize you have a purpose now through the opportunity. And you have to perform. This ain't no, oh, I'm at work. I gotta do this later. No, this ain't that type of thing. This is a once you in it, you have committed. Either you take that leap of faith or you sit your ass down. That's all this is. And you guys, any of the top performing traders, they'll tell you that all you need to do is take that leap of faith. No matter what it is, this comes first. And if this don't come first, it's gonna really fuck up. You need to be on point. So how do you separate these emotions? You may be mad, you may be going through something, and you may not feel like you got it and all this extra stuff. Or just don't trade. Trade on the days where you feel like a champion. Those days, yeah, you may take some losses, but those days be the best days of you. Trade on the days you feel like you a champion. Not what your market has said. You wake up and just, let me get it. Trade on those days. On the days you feel anxiety and pressured and stuff, maybe you should deal with that stuff on those days. Separate. So that way when you get the time to trade, it's the time to trade. And then when you get the time to be with everybody else and do everything else, it's that time. Alright? So, yeah. So like I said, just it's not that hard. You really just gotta execute. This stuff is like riding a bike. That's what I've been explaining my whole entire journey here. It's like riding a bike. Once you learn how to ride this bike, you just gotta choose to ride this bike over driving a car. It's not that bad. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie to you. Being that I'm a father of 3, you know. But gotta do what I gotta do. So do you. So I hope this video find you well. I will be shooting some more videos, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and check that noti bell. I do thank you for watching. And if you like this video so much, why don't you comment down in the comment section and let's have a conversation. Let's talk. Let me see where you are with things. Maybe I can help you execute. Maybe you can help me execute. Let's see what we can do. Let's take this to the next level. Alright guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks.